Hello everyone and welcome! It's wonderful to see you here, ready to explore the world of social media. This digital landscape offers a plethora of opportunities for everyone, regardless of age. Whether you're reconnecting with old friends, making new ones, or simply staying in touch with family, social media has something for everyone. The internet has opened up so many exciting possibilities to connect with loved ones, share experiences, and learn new things. Imagine being able to see your grandchildren's latest achievements, share your favorite recipes, or even learn a new hobby through online tutorials. The world is at your fingertips. You might be wondering, why is mindful posting important? In this vast digital space, every post, comment, and share contributes to the larger conversation. It's essential to be aware of the impact our words and actions can have on others. Well, think of it like this. Every time you share something online, you're sending a message out into the world. This message can inspire, inform, or even entertain. But it can also mislead or hurt if not shared thoughtfully. It's a powerful tool that comes with great responsibility. It's like having a conversation with friends and family, but on a much larger scale. Your audience isn't just the people in your immediate circle, it's potentially anyone with internet access. This makes it even more crucial to be considerate and respectful in our online interactions. Just like in real life, it's important to be thoughtful about what we say and do online. Think before you post, is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? These simple questions can guide us in creating a positive online environment. This helps us stay safe, protect our privacy, and build positive relationships. Online safety is paramount. Always ensure your privacy settings are up to date and be cautious about the information you share. Remember, once something is posted online, it can be challenging to remove it completely. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. With a little practice and some basic knowledge, you'll be navigating social media like a pro. There are countless resources available to help you get started and stay informed. In this online world, it's easy to forget that real people are reading our posts. Behind every profile is a person with feelings, experiences, and stories. It's essential to approach online interactions with empathy and understanding. Always remember to treat others with respect and kindness, just like you would in person. A kind word or a supportive comment can make someone's day. Let's use social media to spread positivity and build a community where everyone feels valued and heard. Let's talk about something super important: keeping your personal information safe online. Think of your personal information like the keys to your house. You wouldn't want to give them to just anyone, right? Social media platforms often ask for information like your phone number, address, or birthday. It's important to be careful about who you share this information with. A good rule of thumb is to only share personal details on trusted websites and with people you know offline. Be wary of friend requests from strangers and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Remember, if something online seems too good to be true, it probably is. Unfortunately, not everyone on the internet has good intentions. Some people might try to trick you into giving them personal information or money. These are called scammers, and it's essential to know how to spot them. Scammers often use messages that create a sense of urgency or fear. They might say you've won a prize or that there's a problem with your account. Remember, legitimate companies will never ask for your personal information through direct messages. If you receive a suspicious message, don't click on any links or provide any personal information. Report it to the social media platform and talk to a trusted family member or friend. Know you've been a good friend. Your online reputation matters. In today's digital age, the way you present yourself online can have a significant impact on various aspects of your life. Whether you're connecting with old friends, sharing your thoughts, or simply browsing through your social media feed, it's crucial to be mindful of your online presence. Just like in the offline world, your reputation matters online. The digital world is an extension of your real-life interactions. The things you say and do online can shape how others perceive you, and this can have lasting effects on your personal and professional relationships. The things you post on social media can stay there for a long time and be seen by many people. Even if you delete a post, it might have already been seen, shared, or saved by others. This means that every post, comment, or photo you share contributes to your digital footprint. It's important to remember this when you're sharing something online. Take a moment to think about the potential impact of your post. Consider how it might be interpreted by different people and whether it aligns with the image you want to project. Before you post something, ask yourself, would I be comfortable with my family or employer seeing this? This simple question can help you avoid sharing content that might be inappropriate or damaging to your reputation. If the answer is no, it's probably best not to share it. It's always better to err on the side of caution. Remember, once something is online, it can be challenging to completely remove it. Try to focus on sharing positive and uplifting content. Share your hobbies, interesting articles, or photos of things that make you happy. Positive content not only reflects well on you, but also contributes to a more positive online environment for everyone. Or photos of things that make you happy. Sharing moments of joy and positivity can help you connect with others on a deeper level and build a supportive online community. You can also use social media to connect with others who share your interests. Joining groups or communities related to your hobbies can be a great way to meet like-minded individuals and engage in meaningful conversations. This can enrich your online experience and help you build a network of supportive friends and acquaintances. Additionally, social media can be a valuable tool for learning and personal growth. Many platforms offer access to online workshops, virtual events, and educational content that can help you expand your knowledge and skills. Embracing these opportunities can enhance your online presence and contribute to your overall well-being. In conclusion, your online reputation matters. By being mindful of what you share and focusing on positive interactions, you can create a digital presence that reflects the best version of yourself. Remember, the online world is a powerful tool that, when used wisely, can bring joy, connection, and growth into your life. Social media and your well-being. In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our daily lives. From staying in touch with family and friends to keeping up with the latest news and trends, it offers numerous benefits. But how does it impact our well-being, especially for older adults? Social media can be a fantastic tool for connecting with others. It allows us to bridge the gap between distances, making it easier to maintain relationships with loved ones who live far away. For seniors, this can be particularly valuable, as it provides a way to stay engaged and feel less isolated. However, it's important to be mindful of how it makes you feel. While social media can bring joy and connection, it can also have a darker side. It's easy to get caught up in the endless scrolling and comparing our lives to others. Spending too much time on social media can sometimes make us feel anxious, envious, or inadequate. The constant exposure to other people's highlight reels can create unrealistic expectations and lead to feelings of dissatisfaction with our own lives. Remember, what you see on social media is often a highlight reel of people's lives. These curated images and stories are designed to show the best moments, not the everyday struggles and challenges that everyone faces. Don't compare your everyday life to the curated images and stories others choose to share. It's important to keep a balanced perspective and remember that everyone has their ups and downs, even if they don't show it online. If you find that social media is negatively affecting your mood, it's okay to take a break. Taking a step back can help you regain a sense of balance and focus on the things that truly matter in your life. Step away from the screen and do something you enjoy, like reading a book, going for a walk, or engaging in a hobby that brings you joy. These activities can help you relax and recharge, providing a much-needed break from the digital world, or spending time with loved ones. Human connection is vital for our well-being, and face-to-face interactions can be far more fulfilling than virtual ones. Whether it's sharing a meal, having a heartfelt conversation, or simply enjoying each other's company, these moments can have a profound impact on our happiness and mental health. Additionally, consider getting involved in community activities or volunteering. These experiences can provide a sense of purpose and belonging, helping you to feel more connected and engaged with the world around you. Practicing mindfulness and self-care is also essential. Activities like meditation, yoga, or simply taking time to relax and reflect can help you maintain a positive outlook and reduce stress. Finally, educate yourself about safe social media practices. Understanding how to navigate the digital landscape responsibly can help you avoid potential pitfalls and make the most of your online experience. By being mindful of your social media use and prioritizing your well-being, you can enjoy the benefits of staying connected while maintaining a healthy and balanced life. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance that works for you. Leaving your mark digital footprints. Every time you like, comment, or share something online, you leave behind what's called a digital footprint. This footprint can be accessed by others, including potential employers or even future generations. It's essential to be mindful of the digital footprint you're creating. Think about how you want to be represented online. Remember, once something is posted online, it can be tough to remove completely. Before you share anything, consider whether you'd be comfortable with it being permanently accessible online.